Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows 10 Microsoft Store not working after reset. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all in the search box type a cmd and open a command prompt, right click, run as type a cmd and open a command prompt, right click, run as administrator. After opening that, type a command, type is a ws reset and press enter. After that, close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that go to your start menu and go to your settings of your Windows. Go to your update and security. Go to your troubleshoot. Click on additional troubleshoot. Scroll down. Select a Windows Store apps. Click run the troubleshooter. Click on next button. Click and close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a third method. The third method is to go to your settings of your Windows. Go to your update and security. After doing this step, go to your app section. So go back, go to your apps. Type a store. Select a Microsoft Store. Click on advanced options. Click on repair. Click on reset. And close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a fourth method. The fourth method is set in the search box, type a PowerShell. Open a PowerShell, run as administrator. Copy the first command. It's available into the video description. And paste it and press enter. After that, type a exit and exit the PowerShell. After that, restart your computer, and after restarting your computer, once again open a PowerShell. Open a Windows PowerShell, right click, run as administrator. After that, copy the second command and paste it and press enter. After that, type a exit and exit the PowerShell and restart your computer. And I'm sure that after doing this that your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that going to your any browser and search engine, type a Windows 10 download. Click on download Windows 10 disk image. Click on download now. Click on save button. Open it. Click on accept button to continue. Select upgrade this PC now and click on the next button. When you click on the next button, the process will be started and it's required of a few hours to complete the process, and after completing the process your computer automatically restart and your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.